Hello, Professor. I'm Jasmine. Today, in this video, I want to talk about what I have learned in this semester. I have written 3 reflective articles in this semester. The first one is about conflict. The second one is about accountability. And the third one is about negotiation. I think those 3 articles represent 3 main ideas. In this video, I want to review the 3 assignments I wrote, summarize what I learned, and what I should do to develop my leadership in my further life. Okay, let's start. Scudder 2011 states that it is significant to understand the process of each conflict. There are 5 steps listed in the textbook, and they are anticipate, prevent, identify, manage, and resolve. Okay, the first one is the anticipate. We all know that everywhere in the world is full of conflict. So conflict is inevitable. We should also be ready for the coming conflict at any time. According to the Scudder 2011, the relationship between 2 conflict participants will greatly affect their conflict resolution. Second, prevent. As I mentioned, we cannot prevent all conflicts since this world is full of conflicts. Therefore, I think the prevent here means preventing, deteriorating further. In other words, we can resolve some big conflicts into small conflicts and resolve small conflicts into long. Third, identify. This word means that when we conflict, we need to identify why the conflict occurs. We should consider the interests of both parties. Fourth, manage. This requires us to understand the fundamental reasons for our emotional changes and differences. Emotions affect the way we think. And the nature of conflict is also because we think differently. Therefore, emotions largely determine the direction of conflict. The 5th step is resolve. If both sides can work hard to try to solve the problem, the conflict will be resolved. Since I know this procedure, what should I do in the future? I think I should control my emotions. Scudder 2011 states that controlling emotions and developing their ability to resolve conflicts can help people become a leader. Okay, the second main idea is about accountability. Accountability includes many parts, among which motivation is my most interested. In our textbook, Pattison and other authors 2013 describe how to make followers motivated. In other words, it is very important topic that what means the leader takes to make the followers take the actions that are beneficial to the organization. A key idea in this chapter is that the amount of power you have has little to do with how well you motivate others. I agree with the authors because I think if you use your power to ask someone else to do something that is called threatening, not motivating. Pattison and other authors 2013 also demonstrate this by stating that charisma, power, and perks are dangerous methods because they will only be effective in the short term, not long term motivation. Therefore, In the future, I'm not going to motivate my followers with charisma, power, and perks. Okay, the third main idea is about negotiation. Fisher, Urey, and Patton 2011 state that there are 5 important points in the negotiation. The first is how to separate people from problems. The second point is the comparison of key interests and positions. The third point is to find mutual gain. The fourth point is to find some objective evaluation criteria. The fifth point is to form a win-and-win situation. I think the second of these points is more important, because I think that if we want to succeed in our negotiations, we must find the fundamental interests of the other party, rather than pressure them with status. If we find the fundamental interests of each other, they will be persuaded by us to achieve the goal we want. Therefore, if we want to have a successful negotiation, we should focus on the fundamental interests of the other party. Okay, that's all I want to share to you. Thank you for listening and watching my vlog. Hope you like it. Bye bye.